I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Civic Rider 254. Also known as FLH Glider 254. Depending on how you know me, how you recognize the cars. So this morning, what we're gonna try to do before the sun get over the house is need to replace this wheel cylinder that's leaking on this side. So we'll jack it up, take the wheel off. We got the brake line, new brake line. Let me grab what that box is. Let me grab that box. Alright, y'all know we up and at it. Wheel off, shoes off. Oh, what's that? What's that? New brake line, bitch. Headed to the store to get that wheel cylinder though. Let's go. Alright, so the situation was what the situation was is that we was missing the wheel cylinder was leaking, right? Wheel cylinder was leaking, was not able to get the line off. Was not able to get the line off due to whatever the hell happened with it. So, oh yeah, somebody stripped this nut off. Somebody stripped this nut on the other side. We were just gonna cut through here, cut through there, put a socket on there, pull that off, replace the line, and then keep it moving. But now I'm not 100% sure where I put my where I put the wheel cylinder themselves. I think I bought some more, but I'm not 100% sure. Big ass hat mafia gang. Oh shit. I don't think so. Those is tie rod ends. Tie rod end. Tie rod. What's this? Idle arm. Pitman arm. I don't even know if I needed that other pitman arm. I just bought that bit. Tie rod end. So they got inner and outer tie rod ends, idler, and pitman arm. There you go. I tell you, it's just so much shit. Oh, that's no. That's ball joints. Fuck. Ball joints and adjusting sleeves. God damn it. Oh yeah. So I did buy. I do remember this. I did buy this. I guess like a rebuild kit. Now, I have personally never used one of these, but I was curious because if it could save me the time of, cutting off, replacing the line, etc., etc., and I thought it might be worth it. So, let's maybe try this first, and then, if absolutely necessary, we'll replace the lines. So I just remember how I don't want to fight with this shit. I want to get it done. Wham blam, thank you, ma'am. So we went ahead and loosened up the wheel cylinder. It's ready to go, and the brake line go over to that middle contraption there. So we gonna need to put some jack stands up under here. So we actually gonna have to get under the vehicle, and then we're gonna get our grinder, cut that line, pull it out, install a new one, new wheel cylinder, and then we out. Good shit. So the thing done been a little difficult, but we got it out. 3 or 4 pieces, it don't matter, it's out. I got an old wheel cylinder, and then the old brake hose, brake line. It's stripped on both sides. So try to cut that bitch off and chopper style. So put the new line, new master cylinder on, let's go with it. Alright, so as you can see, new brake lines and shit. New brake line singular. That one wasn't leaking. I was actually able to change the wheel cylinder on that one too earlier in my ownership of the truck. So I'm not gonna fool with it now, but I do got the other side when it's time. No big. So now I'm just trying to look what else is up under here that don't necessarily need to be. So it looked like truck had air shocks on it at one time. I'm gonna go ahead and cut them because they don't need to be here now. Same thing with this clothes hanger. We was running the exhaust further back, but now that we not, I'm gonna just probably tighten this up so it ain't rolling and rattling and shit everywhere. Let's see what else we got here. This here looks like it should be running in there along the frame. So find a hole, make sure that this gets back, because it looks like probably brake wires or tail lights or something electrical that we don't want to have to replace. So we'll take that little clip and stick that up in there. So we're gonna cut that off. As far as these parking brake joints, like, I'm not gonna worry about it right now, but I think we just eventually gonna replace all that shit. I think I originally had bought one side, but we gonna need 2. I would feel better with 2. So we'll get rid of that. And that pretty much alleviates anything that's kind of hanging back here. Old girl could definitely benefit from a new pair of shocks, but we're just gonna put it on the road first. So get this cleaned up, and then we should be able to get an inspection and put on the road, baby. All right, so show you what we got going on. So C10 is now tagged up. It's supposed to be down here, but I'm gonna see how long I can get away with it. Got a new brake line on. We're currently working the tune, but it's drivable. Soon we'll have that thing on kill mode, just like the Cutlass. She dirty now. Need a bath, but ran out of time to do that today, so we'll put it on to-do list for the week and try to hit us some kind of event here coming up. A couple things that I noticed when I was driving. I think the ground for this turn signal is messed up because it's always on. I think I know exactly where that problem lies. Still want to figure out the fuel gauge so we don't get stuck nowhere. The wires are there. Might not just be hooked up correctly. Different ohms or something. You know how that go. Depending upon if it's GM, etc., etc. But yeah. Progress. C10 is officially in them streets. You heard? Three down, one to go. We gotta get this box Chevy over here. Exhaust done, tune, and it's in there too. So we're getting to the end, fellas and gals, ladies and gentlemen. And then we got to get back on this box, which I haven't touched as far as body work, because I definitely want to be able to pull my bike out, finish the sanding and stuff, and then go from there, because that bike's a whole lot bigger, and I don't want it to get all dirty, because I don't. The booster was like, whatever. But not my baby. Not that Harley, baby. So, keep tapping in. We're going to keep them coming. Y'all know who it is. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And the hustle don't stop. The grind don't stop. Don't.